how you can get to your first 300 to 500 US dollars profit per day with Google pay-per-click ads and affiliate marketing in 2026. So as you watch this video right now, as you can see on my screen, okay, we have had, if I click over here, 1,200 euro day, which is basically around 1,500 US dollars in one day. Now, why smart people and smart affiliates are taking action on January 1st, going further, is because this is the buying season. Okay, it's a buying mode, especially for ClickBank products, for weight loss supplements, for Nutra, digital courses, digital offers, right? Ebooks. So there is so much buying power right now as I speak happening all around you, right? So smart people are taking leverage, as you can see over here. Okay, I have had only 129 people click on my quiz funnel on my landing page. Okay, and out of 129 people, I have had 22 sales, 22 actions. Basically, 22 people decided they're going to buy. Okay, and because I'm an affiliate, you can see I have made 1,279 euros. Okay, which is not bad for one day using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why Google pay-per-click ads? Because you don't have to make any videos. You don't have to create any videos yourself. You don't have to be on camera, okay? All it's faceless. I'm going to show you here how we are doing it, okay? With Google pay-per-click ads, you can see. Why Google? Because Google is not social media. Google, it's all about buyers, clicks, buyers intent, okay? So basically, people are already searching actively for the solutions to their pains and problems that they are dealing with, right? Let me show you an example, okay? They are there positioned already to buy. As you can see on Google, right? They are solution-seeking audience. Why this matters is because it's all about buyers' intent, buyers' clicks. In 2026, all you have to do is send people to your affiliate link on ClickBank or any other CPA affiliate network out there, okay, with Google pay-per-click ads, and you already have sales coming in every single day. As you can see over here, right, they're looking for how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose weight, all this stuff. And in January, it's especially important month to get up and running because people are already buying 24/7. As you can see over here, okay, how to actually get to the first $500 a day on ClickBank or any other affiliate network with Google pay-per-click ads is basically having 3 to 5 campaigns, and each of those is doing 100 to 200 US dollars a day. Okay, it's easy and simple once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, over the Zoom call, and give you the exact strategy that you can apply today, okay, live, and have results coming in the first few hours, 24 hours after setting up your Google pay-per-click campaign, okay? And the most important thing is it's controlled, certain, and predictable, okay? Very important if you want sustainable passive income online in 2026. Now, what most people are doing wrong, okay? Why most people are losing money on ads, okay, is because they are using outdated methods that used to work years ago or a few months ago. But now in 2026, things are changing. So you can see this is the mistake. People are looking for curiosity clickers. With this kind of website, you can see it's geared toward people who are just Windows shoppers. They're not buyers. And it's not your fault. If you have tried this in the past, it's not your fault. But this is the method that makes people to lose money, not make affiliate commissions. Okay, if your goal is to make money online in 2026 with affiliate marketing, ClickBank, if you are a beginner, and even if you have never made a dime online or sale online, it's possible to do it once you have someone, as you can see over here, when we get it done over the Zoom call in the 40 minutes, 30 minutes in a day, we get it up and running and you can get results, okay? Because this is all about taking action, working 20 to 30 minutes a day, and you can get these kind of results. Because one person will buy entire funnel, meaning upsells, downsells, cross sells. They will buy $37 ebook, upsell for weight loss supplement, which is $250 or $97. And that's, my friend, how you can make let's say 90% commissions on ClickBank as an affiliate out of $300 sale. So in that day, you maybe spent $50 US, but you made back $300 back in the same 24 hours. Okay, you can see we get it done together, one-on-one. Now, why this works, why this is different, is because we are using the exact psychology behind the marketing. Okay, low emotional state, high emotional states audiences, male and female language patterns. All this matters when you're promoting to males or females. Okay, very important when you're running ClickBank ads or promoting affiliate offers using Google Ads or Google AdWords. Okay, because all it takes in 2026 is one product, one offer to set you free to actually having 100, 200, 500, even $1,000 days as a beginner, as a newbie with affiliate marketing. Okay, so now it's your turn. All right, you can keep trying along. You can forget about this YouTube video. Go back to your 9 to 5, which is nothing wrong with that. You can still do it besides your 9 to 5. If you have only 30 minutes or 20 minutes a day, you can do this. Okay, with proven system, clarity, and consistent sales. This is very important. Having consistent daily affiliate commissions as an affiliate. Okay, so as you watch this video, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my personal Instagram, my personal WhatsApp number. Yes, WhatsApp number in the description below. My email and my Facebook Messenger, where we can connect one-on-one. But only if you're serious and if you really want to take action and start having consistent, certain results in 2026.